Here is the Longer Ray5 laser engraver by the company Longer. I've had it around a year now. This is the 5-watt version of their diode laser, and I've made some amazing projects with it so far and plan to make many more. One of my favorite things to do is get a cigar box, sand off the factory logo, and re-engrave a new logo on it and then stain it. These make great gifts for people to put their jewelry or loose change in. It can laser cut through cardboard here. Everybody can find cardboard and make some nice projects and stencils. And speaking of stencils, it can make some beautiful designs out of dollar store poster board. This design here, it cut out in about 10 minutes, would be good for people who do airbrushing or spray painting. And then it can also cut acrylic. I have not done an acrylic project yet, but just letting you know. It can also cut through the 3mm craft plywood you get from Hobby Lobby and get some incredible detail. And look at how precise that gets. Really, really cool if you're considering getting a laser cutter or engraver.